Hey guys, what's happening? How to track cycling on GoogleFit. To track cycling on GoogleFit, open the app and tap the plus or add button at the bottom right. Okay, you're gonna press activity. Instead of walking next to the activity, I'm gonna select let's say workout, right? It could be anything: biking, jogging, walking, whatever, right? Or probably hit workout. So I'm gonna hit biking, okay? And then hit the start date, right? Let's say today, 10 a.m. and the duration, right? 1 hour, 30 minutes, depending on your, basically on your fitness. And just hit save for starting real-time tracking with GPS if you allow permissions, right? For your route and stats, okay? And basically, if you're doing it manually, you can just go ahead and add the power, cycle canvas, cycling wheel speed, and hit save at the top right, and it will log your cycling, okay? Ensuring your phone's location permissions are enabled for accurate tracking. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.